Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today on this video, we are going to be getting manure for the garden. As you can see, I got the dump trailer. I got the sides taken off. I got my GoPro gear. Yeah, that's all that this video is going to be, is going to get manure. I don't really know what all we're going to be doing today, but I know for starters, we're going to be going to get manure. And then, yeah, I don't really know what we're doing. But so far, I had to take the sides off this morning. And then, we had to change this wheel. Because if you watched my other video, located here, you will know that we blew a tire. And, yeah, so we blew a tire. And then, we had to change it and put our spare on, but we took spare off and put a new one on. So that tire cost $120 bucks for the one trailer tire. So we got that done, and let's get into the video. And also, for those of you that are watching my videos, you better stay tuned. And if you hear me say this, you better stay tuned, cause today is Thursday, tomorrow's Friday, and tomorrow morning I got a surprise coming. So we are going to pick up a little toy, I guess you could say. And actually no, two toys. Yeah, two toys to play around with. So you better stay tuned for that one, because the toy that we're getting, it's gonna be nice. So I will be sure to record us picking it up. And yeah, I guess y'all will just have to see what the surprise is when we get it, or when I upload the video. I'll give you a hint. It starts with an S. Try to guess it. Alright, so I just got some information from my pap, or grandfather. We are gonna be getting millings first, since the guy that's giving us the compost for free, he just got back from a trip. So he's not in town, or he's running some errands in town. So I'm gonna back the truck and trailer up to the backyard so we can put the trailer in charge. Because last time we used this thing, it was not on charge, and we haven't charged it in maybe a month. So it needs a little bit of a juice. And we never figured out what was wrong with the truck. Well, my grandfather thinks it's something with a vapor, but that truck right there is going to be a little project for me and my grandfather. Well, we've been working on it, but it is an old 19-something truck. It's an old farm truck that my grandfather has had for a while. Sorry, hold on. Make sure I don't hit anything. That he has had for a while, and it's been, my mom used it, my aunts have used it, so it's been in the family for a while. It's older than me, if you can believe it. But yeah, I'm gonna be using that for high school, or until I can get enough money to pay for my own car. But the car that my mom's using, or has, the engine blew, and she put a new one in. So if we can take care of that one's gonna be mine. So yeah. Alright, we're here. So we're gonna pull through here and go in the weight station, and then they'll get our empty weight, and then when we get loaded, we'll go back through the scale with our full weight. They'll weigh us, and then they'll subtract, and then that's how much we weigh, or how much the millings weigh.
Have you rolled out?
That's fine.
That's because of the
bullshit. That real loader is big, equal to about 5 tons. I got my GoPro set on the trailer, so. How they price us?
They're gonna go in, they weigh the trucking trailer before we go get the material, and we estimated we wanted 5 tons, which is 10,000 pounds. So we'll go back on the scale. They'll subtract, they'll weigh us again, and they'll subtract what we started to weigh, and that's what we pay for. And it's about $11 a ton for millings here at the asphalt plant. So instead of going to a place on the side of the road or something sells, we come straight to the plant, and it saves you a lot of money.
I had him explain it because he knows and can explain it better. Alright, going to the scale again with our trailer full. Let's see how much we weigh. Struggle. Tight squeeze. So the guy up there is getting our weight, and then he'll measure us just like that, and then grandfather will go up there and pay, and then we're gonna go empty it. Alright, so we paid. I think we're gonna come back for another load, maybe. Okay, apparently yes. And then we're gonna go
5 tons was $77.
5 tons, $77. Alright, we got home. We're backing up right now to the pile where we have the other millings, sorry. Millings from the last time that we moved or got millings. So we're gonna dump it there and then go back for another load. And then, yeah. Alright, so we got it up. What we did was what we used my mom's car and jumper cables and just hooked it up like that. So it worked. It's obviously not charged, but we're gonna go get manure now. So I'm gonna take my mom's car back down to the house down there, and then we're gonna go get manure.